Most of the brain is what's called telencephalon, or a long time ago it used to be called end brain. But most of the brain in the human has to do with the cerebral cortex. This is all telencephalon. I wish I had the insert.
Oh, you happen to have a brain stem laying around?
I can get one.
Why don't I just do it? I'll take it out. I'll take it off here. I can't do it perfectly. I've never figured out how to do it perfectly, although Yuri and I have a new...
on this one, I think it would be
easier.
not so nice here, that one.
Yeah. Okay, so here what we have. This is a really beautiful view of the dura mater.
Ah.
So you see how it dives in between the two hemispheres?
Yep.
Look at that. And then it separates the cerebellum from the cerebral cortex. So this is the dura mater. And it's like, I say to the students, it's like the bulwarks in the Titanic. Let's say you have, you hit an iceberg over here, AKA have a stroke, and this blows up. The increase in pressure will for a while be contained to here, not go over here and not go back there. If it goes back here, you die. The brainstem is keeping you alive. If you can contain it up here, you can keep the person alive and hopefully reduce the swelling, have time to reduce the swelling. And the beautiful thing about strokes is that if you survive them, you can get better.
Yep.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that out. And move this. Look at what I'm looking at right there. Do you see what this is?
Yes.
That's the corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum, right.
That's going across between the two hemispheres.
The hemispheric internet.
Exactly. And now what you're seeing is this is cerebellum. Down here, you see, ooh.
Now we're looking at the, just to make sure.
We're looking at the bottom of the brain.
Right.
So here's where the eyes would be.
Right.
Here's the optic nerves.
Right.
There's where the pituitary attaches. And
Right.
you see these little bumps?
And over here are the two temporal lobes.
Two temporal lobes.
Got
You see
it.
these two little lumps?
Yes.
What are they called?
Calicula.
No.
No.
Mammillary bodies.
Mammillary bodies, that's right.
For an obvious reason. Would you like to see the mammillary bodies? At one point were named for testes. And then for whatever reason, breasts won over testes. And they're now called mammillary bodies.
What do they do?
They are very important in learning.
They're so little.
So in advanced alcoholism, these guys degenerate.
Oh, wow.
And it's what gives rise to what's called Korsakoff syndrome, which is an inability to remember